So here at Guildford Spinal Health, where the clinic is providing IDD therapy, spinal decompression. This is a treatment for both low back pain and neck pain and related conditions like sciatica. Here we're treating Will with the neck treatment, referred to the cervical spine. Different levels in the cervical spine, but commonly the C5, C6 level, where there can be an issue. So the patient is secured on the table and connected to a motor in the tower. The treatment is controlled by computer, and essentially we are decompressing and gently mobilizing the affected spinal segment. Patient remains comfortable and relaxed on the table for between 24 and 26 minutes. Patients have a program of care over a number of weeks to help to restore function, relieve pain, and get rid of that debilitating neck pain. If you're struggling with neck pain or maybe symptoms in the arms, then contact Guildford Spinal Health. I'll be able to arrange an initial consultation, talk you through the process, and determine if you might be suitable for IDD therapy. Thank you.